Lil Uzi Vert is a familiar face in the realm of extravagantly customized luxury cars, but his latest bespoke creation, crafted in collaboration with his trusted partners at Car Effex, might truly steal the spotlight. Before continue, please subscribe to our channel, don't forget to hit the like button or leave a comment below to that video. It's very important to us and our petrolheads community. Thanks. Few words about the Car Effex. Established in the year 2002, Car Effex emerged under the visionary leadership of Michael Layton, a dedicated owner and operator. Over the years, Car Effex has masterfully assembled a squad of skilled and fervent mechanics, technicians, wrapping artisans, and installers who share an unwavering passion for automobiles. At Car Effex, our mission revolves around delivering a spectrum of services designed to elevate your vehicle's aesthetics, amplify its performance capabilities, and optimize its overall functionality. Our commitment to customer satisfaction is unswerving, extending across every service we offer, ensuring that your automotive aspirations are not just met, but exceeded. Let's go back to the special and modified Rolls-Royce Cullinan for a Lil Uzi Vert. The renowned modification team has undertaken a striking transformation on the Rolls-Royce Cullinan owned by rapper Lil Uzi Vert, giving it a distinctive appearance akin to a Mercedes-Benz landaulet. Remarkably, they have removed the top and rear section of the vehicle entirely, creating a unique open-top sensation. Unlike a landaulet, however, the top seems to be a permanent fixture, with no provision for reattachment, not even with a convertible soft cover. While this alteration may present limitations by subjecting the vehicle's use to weather conditions, it's worth noting that Lil Uzi Vert boasts an impressive collection of luxury automobiles, making any weather-related constraints likely inconsequential. The exterior exhibits further personalized details, including bespoke white wheels, a grille that artfully blends white and purple elements, purple accents on badges, and a resplendent iced-out Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament. The interior showcases reupholstered brown leather surfaces, headrests adorned with domo embroidery, and a commanding rear nameplate proudly bearing the inscription Cullinan Vert Edition. In terms of modifications, this unconventional Cullinan shares the spotlight with his 2020 Bentley Continental GT, an off-road adaptation complete with LED lights and roll bars. As for the financial investment, while an exact figure remains undisclosed, estimates suggest that crafting the unique Cullinan Vert Edition could have cost the rapper over $700,000 USD. Surprisingly, this figure pales in comparison to the price tag of his Bugatti Veyron. Super unique and one-of-one customization by a Car Effex, great project and work. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button or leave a comment below to that video. Stay safe and dream big. See ya.